Alright, I'm back, and I told you I was going to teach you the, of Crazy Train. I'm going to. Actually, this is the two-part lesson, because, the first part was the, and I'm going to teach, you start out. But I'll teach that in a completely different lesson. It's pretty easy. I mean, it's pretty basic. There's nothing, nothing really complicated there. You probably could have just looked and seen what I did, But anyway, the main thing that we're learning today, and I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna put my amp on clean. That way, you can get the chords. What you want to do is you want to do like kind of like a power chord from on the 5th and the 7th. And slide down. That's going to be the 7th and the 9th. This slide, hit it again. And that's coming off, there he goes. That's pretty easy, I thought. But you want to play it with some distortion on. That's how it's played. But I just wanted to turn the distortion off because here in a second it does some chords. But when you play it with distortion, it's... You get what I mean? Yeah. So with the chords that you play, it's rather simple. I mean, you want to do an A chord. It's this part. It's... I'm gonna teach a rather easy way to play it, but it's probably not the 100% accurate way. I learned all of this song by ear. I learned it all by ear. You're gonna do an A chord, down strums, 3 times. It goes. Chicka, chicka, chicka. And for some reason my echo's on. I'm gonna turn the echo off, but anyway, you get the point. It's... Two more times after the... That's one way to play it. You just do that same thing, and then you just start over. Or you do that, but there's another way. It's chicka again. Just go. A. Down, up, chicka. D. It's all downstroke. And for the D, it's all downstrokes, but there's a little bit of a kind of a... So just listen to the song, you'll kind of be able to, get that one. But that's all I got for you right now. Come back later. I plan on doing some more song tutorials. See you around.